Hi, it's Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy buffalo chicken sandwich on your grill. It's a fantastic sandwich, great for summertime parties. Before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge and recognize Blue Rhino for all of their support that they give to OBR to fuel our disasters and helping us feed the one hot meal that matters. So to get started, we're going to take a 6-ounce chicken breast, and I've cut the chicken breast in half lengthwise so that it cooks a lot faster. Okay, we're going to season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Season both sides of the chicken breast. Then we're going to place it on a grill. We want to cook our chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. While your chicken is cooking, make sure you cross-mark your chicken and flip your chicken to make sure that the chicken breast is cooking evenly. Okay, now we're ready to check our chicken. Remember, we're looking for an internal of 165 degrees. Okay, now that our chicken is cooked, we're going to dice the chicken into 1/4-inch thick pieces. And we're going to place them in this mixing bowl. Once you have your chicken in your mixing bowl, to that we're going to add a little bit of buffalo wing hot sauce. I'm putting in about 1 ounce. Then we're going to add some shredded jack cheese. That's about 1/2 cup. To that, I'm going to add some sliced green onions because I really like that onion flavor mixed with the heat and the vinegar from the sauce. Lastly, I'm going to take some crispy onions. This is going to give the sandwich some nice texture and a little bit of crunch. About 1/4 cup of those. Now we're just going to toss this up real well. Okay, now for our sandwich, I've chosen Nan flatbread. You can get this at your local supermarket. They're readily available, fast and easy to use. So I'm going to take this chicken mix now, and I'm going to place it on half of the flatbread. And you want to get as close to the edge as you can, but you don't want to overfill it. Then we're going to take our flatbread, fold it in half, kind of press it down a little. Now we get to place it back on the grill. Now I've set the left side of the grill a little bit lower. It's more of a medium temperature because what we want to do is cook this sandwich to get the bread nice and crispy on both sides. So you're just going to have to keep turning it, and then the inside, the cheese is going to melt, the chicken's going to get nice and hot, and it's going to be a fantastic sandwich. After about 2 minutes, you're going to want to flip your sandwich over to make sure that both sides get nice and crispy. Now, since everybody's grill heats differently, you may notice some spots of the sandwich that are a little darker than the others. Just keep flipping it to ensure that the whole thing is nice and crispy. Okay, I think our sandwich is ready. And as you can see, our sandwich is nice and golden brown. I think we're ready to plate. So first thing we're going to do is take our sandwich and we're going to cut it in half. The smell is fantastic on this sandwich. And then to garnish the sandwich, I'm going to place some celery sticks, and a little bit of blue cheese dressing. And there you have it, crispy buffalo chicken sandwich. Enjoy.